Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best M4 screws is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in countless projects, from delicate electronics to robust furniture assembly. These versatile fasteners, with their precise M4 threading, offer a reliable and secure connection, ensuring the integrity and longevity of your creations. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast, a professional builder, or a hobbyist tinkering with intricate designs, understanding the nuances of M4 screws can significantly elevate the quality and stability of your work, making them an indispensable part of your toolkit. Number 5. Mr. Penn Stainless Steel Nuts and Bolts Assortment Kit. Introducing the Mr. Penn Nuts and Bolts Assortment Kit, your go-to solution for all your fastening needs. This comprehensive kit offers a wide variety of high-quality components. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these fasteners are built to last. They offer exceptional durability and resistance to rust, making them perfect for any environment. With 350 pieces included, you'll have everything you need for a wide range of tasks. This kit ensures you're always prepared, whether for DIY projects or professional applications. Experience the difference with precision threading and a strong grip. These fasteners provide reliable and secure connections, ensuring your projects are built to withstand time. Everything comes neatly organized in a sturdy, reusable storage box. This makes it easy to find the exact fastener you need, keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. From automotive repairs to home improvement, this kit is incredibly versatile. It's designed to meet the demands of construction, DIY, and professional use with long-lasting performance. What we like. This kit offers a massive 350 pieces of stainless steel fasteners, including nuts and washers. If you're tackling a large project or need a comprehensive solution for various repairs, this is your go-to. It's ideal for anyone who wants a wide variety of fasteners readily available for home improvement, automotive, or construction tasks. What people say. The M4 screws are made of stainless steel, which provides excellent corrosion resistance. These M4 screws have a precise thread pitch, ensuring a secure and stable connection. The countersunk head design allows for a flush finish when installed in wood or metal. Number 4. UXCELL M4X 10mm TV Monitor Screw. Are you looking for a reliable way to mount your TV or computer monitor? These screws are designed for a secure and stable fit. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these screws offer excellent durability and resistance to corrosion. They are built to last. With a thread size of M4X 10mm, they provide a precise fit for most LCD monitor and TV VISA mounting holes. The Phillips head ensures easy installation. The Phillips drive type and 4mm bit driver size make installation a breeze. Simply use a standard Phillips screwdriver to secure your device. Each package contains 10 screws, giving you plenty for multiple installations or as spares. The silver tone adds a clean finish. These versatile screws are ideal for mounting TVs, computer monitors, and other electronic devices. They offer a total length of 12mm for a secure hold. What we like. These are M4X 10mm Phillips head screws specifically designed for mounting TV computer LCD monitors. If you're looking to replace lost or damaged monitor screws and need a precise fit, these are perfect. They ensure a secure and clean installation for your display. What people say. The M4 screws are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. These M4 screws feature a precise thread pitch, allowing for a secure and stable connection in various applications. The head of the M4 screws is designed with a Phillips drive, making them easy to install and remove with standard tools. Number 3. DYWISHKEY M4 Stainless Steel Hex Button Head Cap Bolts and Nuts Kit. Introducing a comprehensive kit featuring M4 hex button head cap bolts and nuts in 7 essential sizes. These fasteners are designed to meet your diverse project needs with precision. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these components offer exceptional strength and superior corrosion resistance. They are built to withstand various environmental conditions, ensuring long-lasting durability. Experience excellent rust and oxidation resistance with these fasteners. Their robust construction guarantees reliable performance and extended usability in demanding applications. All bolts and nuts are neatly organized in a sturdy, durable box. Each size is individually packaged to prevent loss and ensure easy access, providing an efficient storage solution. Perfect for professionals, DIY enthusiasts, and repair tasks, this assortment kit is ideal for replacing broken or missing fasteners. Its variety of sizes ensures you have the right component for almost any job. Adhering to standardized metric measurements, these fasteners boast an average error of less than 0.01 mm. You can rely on their accuracy for precise installations. What we like. This kit provides 7 different sizes of M4 hex button head cap bolts and nuts, all made from high-quality 304 stainless steel. If you need a variety of button head fasteners for projects where a clean, low-profile look is desired, this is an excellent choice. It's great for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who value corrosion resistance and a neat finish. What people say. The M4 screws are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. These M4 screws feature a precise thread pitch, allowing for a secure and stable connection in various applications. The countersunk head design of these M4 screws provides a flush finish when installed, which is ideal for aesthetic purposes. Number 2. M4 Stainless Steel Button Head Hex Socket Cap Bolts Assortment Kit. Introducing our M4 Stainless Steel Bolt Assortment Kit. This comprehensive set includes 240 pieces in 8 common sizes, perfect for a wide range of applications. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these fasteners offer excellent corrosion resistance and a galvanized finish for long-lasting durability. Ideal for home, automotive, and shop use, these bolts are perfect for electrical connections on appliances and various marine applications. Ensure secure and reliable connections with these quality assortment screws. They are designed for threaded or bolt-type connections where power sources are involved. This kit provides everything you need, including a convenient wrench, to get the job done efficiently. It's a must-have for any toolkit. What we like. You get 240 pieces across 8 common sizes of M4 button head socket cap bolts, screws, and nuts, all in 304 stainless steel. If you're looking for a versatile assortment for electrical connections, automotive, or marine applications where a hex socket drive is preferred, this kit is a solid pick. It offers durability and rust resistance for long-term use. What people say. The M4 screws are made of stainless steel, which makes them resistant to rust and corrosion. These M4 screws have a Phillips head, making them easy to install and remove with a standard screwdriver. The M4 screws are precisely machined, ensuring a snug fit and preventing stripping of the screw head. Number 1. binifiMux M4 Flathead Screws and Hex Nuts Assortment. This is a comprehensive M4 flathead Phillips countersunk machine screws and hex nuts assortment kit. It includes 120 bolts in various lengths and 100 M4 hex nuts, along with a driver key for your convenience. These flathead countersunk screws feature standard metric threads. The head diameter is 6.5 mm, with screw lengths ranging from 4 mm to 20 mm. The M4 black hex nuts are 3.2 mm high with a 7 mm distance between hex edges. Constructed from high-quality carbon steel, these fasteners offer toughness, durability, and a smooth, blur-free finish. They are perfect for laser engraving, TV stands, computer repairs, and DIY projects. All the screws and hex nuts are neatly organized in a compact container. Each size is separated, allowing you to easily find what you need and ensuring they can be stored for a long time. We are committed to providing you with the best service. If you encounter any issues with these units, please do not hesitate to reach out. What we like. This assortment features M4 flathead Phillips countersunk machine screws and hex nuts with a sleek black finish. If your project requires a flush finish, like in TV stands or computer repairs, these are ideal. The countersunk design ensures a smooth surface, making them perfect for aesthetic-sensitive applications. What people say. The M4 screws are made of stainless steel, which is rust-resistant and durable. These M4 screws have a Phillips head, making them easy to install with a standard screwdriver. The M4 screws come in a variety of lengths, suitable for different applications. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.